you guys doing? You taking over the table? What's wrong with you? Can I have some of that? No? Can I have... I want some. Can I have some? No, I want some. I know you like it. It tastes good, but can I have some? I just want some. Can I have some? Can I have... Please, a little bit? Oh, it's good. Yum, yum, yum. Uh-oh. Come here.
Make sure the manager gets in touch with her. What are you talking about? I want you to wait outside in the lobby for me, right?
Me.
Now, what are you doing? I am just about to take the biggest step of your life. Come on. Trust me.
Thank you, Rocky. He's a good bird. Give me a kiss. Come here. Give me a kiss. Yes, come here. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's such good birds. Thank you. All right. All right. Yes. It's a good bird.